In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request a refund on DHgate, a popular online marketplace. Whether you've run into an issue with an order or simply need to initiate a refund, I'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring that you have all the necessary information to handle this smoothly. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the DHgate website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the DHgate URL in the address bar. Once you're at the homepage of the site, take a moment to orient yourself. Familiarize yourself with the layout and different categories available, as this will make your navigation easier in future interactions. For now, though, our focus is on the next step, which takes us into the customer support realm. Now, look for the customer service section on the DHgate website. This area is designed specifically to address common issues and concerns, including refunds. As you hover over or click this section, a drop-down menu or options list should appear. Within these options, you will need to select Refund. This is where the process really starts to kick off. The Refund section provides various pathways to address different types of refund requests, so it's important to follow the right route to streamline your request. Next, you will be directed to a page outlining the refund process. Here, you'll want to select the specific issue that pertains to your order or grievance. Each issue might have its own set of instructions or requirements, so choose carefully to ensure you're following the appropriate protocol for your situation. Once you've selected your issue, you'll notice an option for Online Service. Clicking this will lead you to Online Chat. This feature connects you directly with an agent who can assist you with your refund request. At this point, it's a good idea to prepare any necessary information or documentation related to your order, as the agent may need these details to process the refund effectively. Engage politely with the agent, clearly stating that you're looking to obtain a refund. Be concise yet thorough as you explain your situation. If you have any specific concerns or questions, don't hesitate to ask. The customer service representatives are there to help resolve your issues in the most efficient way possible. After you've communicated your request and provided all relevant information, the agent will guide you through any remaining steps or inform you of the next actions. It may take some time for the refund to process, so be patient and feel free to follow up if necessary. And that's it. You've successfully initiated a refund on DHgate. By following these steps, you ensure you're utilizing the resources available to manage your transaction disputes. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in navigating the refund process. If you have further questions or need assistance, DHgate's customer service is always there to support you.